right, y'all, you know what it is. This is 4th of July. This is the grand finals. We're gonna need your energy here. So make some noise one last time. That's what I'm talking about. That's how we do it here in San Diego. Fresco, send us off on a good one. 2 rounds each. Oh, that's a good one. Crowd. Who's it gonna be? Don't make me do it. Not for the last battle. Not for the last battle. Come on. Thesis. Double heads Cali. What you got, baby? They're in the finals. Whoa. Yo, that was nasty. Jimmy and Thesis, what they got for us? Close it out, baby. Swing, feel like a lane, cause that's what you are. Stay in your lane when you're in my car. Feel like we fought, but turning the score. That breeze was too useful for me, baby. Testing my weapon. Wow. No prince can define what I spell. I've been ascending, evolving my blessings inside of dimensions. Yes, sir. Those who be real, they gon' feel me like braille. I can't all this no skill. It's in their nature. Vicious by nature. What you got? I spit fire even when I exhale, for real. I can hear the sound from my headphones. Here we go. He's raw. Raw being red. From the get-go. Another soldier's bold from the expos. I can hear the static from my headphones. Yo, this man can come up with so many different angles. It's crazy. This chain in my neck. Listen, I don't give a fuck who you rep. Listen, everybody tripping. Trying to switch in the face, they won't tap from submission. They don't know what they're doing. Tis, the wrist look good when I flick it. Toss all the whack out my hood cause I'm wicked. Watch my every move. Round 2. Y'all know this one. This is a classic right here. Wow. What you got, Thesis? Anyone that can respond, it's gravity. Yo. What you got, baby? He's got the original phrases. He's got the flow.
seconds of deliberation right now. Let me get full force San Diego to the floor.
We're gonna count this one down from 10. This is a big moment. The winners are flying out to Switzerland to compete at a bigger level bracket, if you can believe that. It was tough today. It's only gonna get tougher from here on out. And it is entirely covered. So, who's it gonna be? Who's going to Switzerland? Is it Vicious by Nature? Is it me and Thesis? Let's count down from 5, 4,